day to you, wherever you may be. Yes, so this is your girl, your sister from another mother. Oh my word. So some of my friends saw my hair. They were like, how did you do it? I'm going to use this video to say shout out to my colleague at work. Yes, she told me I saw it on her hair actually, and I love it. So I asked, she told me what to do, the things to buy. She explained to me very well. So these are the things I use actually. Some of us will be using this product. It's a very good product. It's a very good one. So I just bought everything. My hair is from the scratch. I have low cut. So I bought the shampoo, I bought the conditioner. We have two conditioner. We have the one that is you rinse out and the one you leave in. This is the leave in. This one, this small container is the leave in. The other one I showed you before is the wash out, as in when you put it, you rinse it away with water. But this one, you leave it on your hair. Then I use coconut oil also. Coconut oil. When I saw this, I said, no problem. I will get it for now. Maybe next time I know how to do myself, so I will do my own. Just together. So these are the things I use, the product I use. I'm just showing you this is what I use. I use the shampoo, I use the conditioner. Actually, what you are seeing now is the brush I use in brushing the hair. But somebody was telling me I can do it with my hand. But this is the brush I used. So I'm showing you guys now so that you will see it. I have to tell you what I use for my own hair. I think today should be is it not the second day or the third day? I just started using it anyhow, sharp. So and someone was like, I want to know what you'll be using. I just started. It's not long. I think this should be the third day. I've started using it and I'm seeing results. So, and I'm so happy to share it with you also. For those that want to do theirs too, this is what your girl used. This is what I used. Actually, the person that encouraged me to this is my husband. It's my husband. It was even the one that used the comb for my hair to comb my hair. He taught me how to use it. He said you don't know how to use it. When we went to buy this product, he was there. He said, you've not bought the complete items. There's a brush to it. So that is how I got this. And I'm showing you now because someone was telling me I use my hand. This is what your girl used. And it's working. I've not used I just use my hand to check to see how it goes. So this is how it look on my hand. I'm just trying to show you the lotion. Some people will mix it together, but me, I take it not that much. I do it in the morning before going to work. But someone was telling me that it's morning and evening. So because I'm showing you now that this is how your girl is missing it. Actually, the shampoo and conditioner, I did not use it now that I'm showing you this experiment. I kept it aside. It's these three items. This leave-in conditioner you will use. Then this natural hair oil. Then this coconut oil too. These three items are mostly the one I used. So that is why I'm showing you how I use them. You can see that I was not able to open this coconut oil because my hand was sleeping. So I have to use my cloth. So I put it on my hand so that you know how the coconut oil look like before spraying it on my hair. So this is it. So I'm rubbing it very well so that everything will go in there. Yes, so if you are just coming across this video for the first time, please subscribe to our channel so that we can move together. Thank you so much for subscribing. Don't forget to ring the bell also, so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. That's how we roll. Thank you so much for subscribing to us. We appreciate you. So I'm using the brush to comb the hair now. My daughter was there, so she was asking me to comb it back. So I was trying to tell her, no, that's not how to comb it. This is the right way to comb it. This is the right way to comb it. You did it, you use it, do it clockwise. Yes, clockwise. Not to the back or to the front. Clockwise, because of how it will come out. Actually, I need someone to help me out to, yes, I still have low cut now, but by the time it starts growing up, I know I need to maintain it. How do I do? Do I continue with this? So let me know in the comment section. Do I continue like this, or there's something else I need to apply again? Actually, I would prefer low cut anyway. I would prefer low cut. So I think with this, I don't need to be combing my hair. So I've dodged myself from that aspect of combing the hair. So I can still wear wig on this anyway. If I want to put on wig, I can still wear wig. Yes, I'm going to use this medium to say this how I do it. When I'm putting on wig, before I never knew about it. So when I find out, it's very good. Those of us that put on wig, yes, when you are putting on wig, don't just wear your wig like that. You cut hair. There's another cap, small cap. Some of us know the cap I'm talking about. Wear that cap first before you put on your wig. That is how we roll. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Oh, happy birthday to my twinning. Wish you long life. Continue to excel, continue to prosper. That's how we do. Thank you so much. Bye. We love you. Bye. We love you all.